Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing 10 nail polishes for my nail polishes that make me happy when I wear them series. I do this every like 2.5 months, so I tend to switch it up every now and then, just grab some polishes that I really like at the moment and swatch them all for you. The price ranges are pretty different. Some are very low budget. I have some mid-section price-wise and some higher end ones as well. So there's something for everyone and every bank account. Let's just put it to that. And there are different brands, different finishes and colors and so on. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and get into my 10 polishes that I'm loving at the moment and just get into all of the swatches and so on. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.
Strange that you're not around. I still think of you at night. Look where you used to lay and picture the shape that you made. Oh damn it, I'm tired. This running takes a toll on your mind. Oh damn it, I tried. Too late, now here comes the fight. Stay here and hold me. I'm in agony, you're a poison. You drip through my veins, slowly strangle my brain as you haunt me. Stay here and hold me. Sick of the screams in my pillow. I'm hoarse from your name, I keep screaming in vain as you haunt me. I try the runaround, hopeless with your laces tied. Find another route. How long till I get it right? Oh damn it, I'm tired. This running takes a toll on your mind. Oh damn it, I tried. Too late, now here comes the fight. Slowly strangle my brain as you want me. Stay here and hold me. Sick of the screams in my pillow. I'm hoarse from your name, I keep screaming in vain as you want me. Stay here and hold me. Stay here and hold me. Stay here and hold me. Stay here and warn me. Stay here and hold me. Stay here and hold me.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time, out of time. You're out of time, you're out of time, and now you're out of time. Ooh. you.